All right. Okay, let's go to the other one. The monthly salaries worker is, so this kind of ratio questions are normally appear in the question papers. Okay, normally appear in the mathematics paper. It's normal thing. So we have to understand these kind of things. Okay. Uh, can anybody put yes in the chat also if you can hear me? Ma එහෙනම් පොඩ yes එකක් දාන්න chat එකේ. Monthly salary of worker, thank you. Monthly salary of worker is 1,850 euros. His tax rate is 13.8. Okay. And unemployment insurance contribution also 1.2 of the salary. This is a ratio. And what is the combined amount of taxes and unemployment insurance he paid during half year? So this, be careful, half year, like to see. So if you take this kind of 30.8, so you can also represent that one 13.8 divided by 11. Sorry, it's 100. You can 13.8 කියලා මේ වගේ තිබුණොත් එහෙම ඒක මෙහෙම දාන්න පුළුවන්. 13.8 divided by 100. Okay. Then you can multiply by this given thing, 108.50 multiplied by this one. Then so the same thing going to do here. Monthly salary is this. So then the tax payment is this much. Okay. So tax payment is this much. So it's like that. Okay. There are some calculators you can directly you can put this thing there, but normal calculator they you have to do the multiplication like this. Okay. So insurance contribution also 1.2, the same thing like that. Okay, now both things are going to contribute 277.5. But that is not the answer. So answer is like that, but that is not the answer because they ask during a half year. Half year means how much? 6 months, no? So you have to multiply by 6. This one. So this is the same thing. This is the same thing. 155 here and 22 here. And this is for the month. So multiply by 6. So this is the answer 1665. This answer. So these things normally this presentation, okay, presentation things normally present, okay, things normally appear in the question papers. One or two questions, there may be one or two questions like that. Okay. So you should understand how to write these things like that. Okay, 13.8% mean 13.8 divided by 100. So something like that. Okay. The 7th one. This is nice question. Okay, so somewhat I have to describe a little bit longer period. Parking fees in the zone A and zone B are 4 euros per hour and 3 euros per hour respectively. Okay. මේ parking A එකේ parking B එකයි ගත්තාම ඒකේ rate එක hour එකකට A වල 4යිලු එක hour එකකට B වල 3යිලු. Which of the following is true? Now you have to consider one by one. Okay. The fee in zone A is 25% higher than the fee in zone B. So higher than. So you have to compare with the B. Okay. Higher than. Okay. And parking zone B is 1/3 cheaper than parking zone A. Okay. 1/3 cheaper than parking A. Using the same amount of money, you can park in zone A for 25% shorter period than zone B. You have to compare again with the zone B. Okay, let's go to this question. Now, this is the first one, first statement. So you know now, please follow my cursor. Okay, otherwise you didn't ask. You don't see these things. Okay, just follow my cursor only. Okay, I think you can see my cursor. මගේ cursor එක පේනවනම් පොඩ්ඩක් yes එකක් දාන්නකෝ. cursor එක පේන්නේ නැත්නම් මේ cursor එක පේනවනේ yes එකක් දාන්න. හරි. Parking එක zone A වල 4යි කියලා කිව්වා rate එක. The parking in zone A is 4 euros per hour and parking in zone B for 3 euros per hour. So then compare with the B because we had to compare how the then yeah the fee is on A this much of higher than zone B. So then you have to divide by amount of zone B. zone B එකේ තියෙන amount එකෙන් තමයි divide කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට this is what zone A amount rate, and this is how higher than this one. 4 subtract 3 subtract from 4. So you have to take the percentage, no? Say then you have to multiply by 100, then it will become 33.3, not 25. So that means this one wrong. It should be 33. Okay, 33.3. So not 25. Okay, so higher than 33. Okay, so this is wrong then. So let's take the second one. The parking rate is 4 here and parking rate is 3 here. So how cheaper here? €1 cheaper. So they told here the parking zone B is 1/3 cheaper. 1/3, not 1/3. It's €1 cheap. Okay, it's one. They told 1/3. Okay, so it's wrong. So it's wrong. Okay, let's take the other one using the same amount of money. So I am taking 12 euros. Okay, why I take 12 euros? Because it can divide by 4 and 3. That's otherwise you can take €10 or €100. It's okay. Okay, I took 12 euros because using same amount of money. So I have 12 euros now. I go in with that 12 euros for the zone A. I can park there how many hours? The rate is 4 euros per 1 hour. Then I can park 3 hours in zone A. And same amount of money I can park here 4 hours. So I think now I can park 1 more hours than zone A. Okay. Now what they are doing, asking, using the same amount of money, so it is 12 euros, you can park in zone A for 25. Again, also you have to take the percentage, shorter period. Okay. Now you know that this is shorter. This is shortest, but then what you have to compare with the 4 minus 3 and divide by 4, because what happened here? You have to compare by B. Okay, compare with the B. Okay, but what happened here? Now time is going to become a 4 hours. So you have to divide by this 4 hours. Okay, so 4 minus 3, that is the how many longer period parking zone B. So 4 divided by 3 is 1 hour, and you have to divide by this 4 because you have to compare with the B. Then in zone B, like here, then in zone B. Okay, so you have to divide by 4 and multiply by 100, then it will become 25. So this is okay. This is okay. So the answer is this one. This is the correct answer. So likewise, we have to compare everything. Otherwise, none of these also here. So you have to compare all the things and come to this answer. Okay, there's a little bit longer question. Okay, so 8.1. There is සිංහලෙන් කියන්න අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැති වෙයි කියලා මේවා. There is an ice hockey game being played between 2 local ice hockey teams A and B. During the interval, questionnaire was given to the spectators to establish which team they support. Okay, and the result are in the table below. Okay, how many percentage point was the difference between a man and woman support team A? Okay, now this is team A results, and this is team B results, and this is men and this is woman. Okay, so let's take this picture. Supporting team A. Okay, now how many men come to watch this game? 144 altogether. 144 men came to watch this game. Okay, so out of 144, 72 people, 72 men support team A. So that's going to be a 50%. Okay, that's going to be a 50%. And likewise, you can Same thing you can do to the other one. Supporting team a woman. So out of 8 humans, so this is the number that how many women watch this game, okay, between A and B. So out of 80, 32 people, 22 women support team A. So that is going to become 40%. But not these are not the question. Question is how many percentage point was the difference between difference. So you have to get the difference. So difference is 10. Difference is 10. So 10 percentage point. 10 percentage point is the answer. Okay. I think you understood that question. So this is also the same question that appear in the question number 1. You can see here the black says max F, and here also the what is that, this one, and this is going to close this one, okay, and the same thing inside appear, same thing inside. So this is the notation, okay, notation of the equation. මා එහෙනවනම් පොඩ්ඩක් කවුරු හරි මේ chat එකේ yes එකක් දාන්න. එහෙනම් අඩුයි කියලා කෙනෙක් කිව්වා. එහෙන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා. ඔයාගේ මේක වැඩි කරගන්න එහෙමනම්. හරි. Right. Question number 9. Leon is 6 years older than his sister Anna. Okay, this is the statement. The age of their mother is 4 times age of Anna. So this question also appear in 2023. Same question. Okay, that's why I told you that some questions are appear in the same again and again. Okay, but not the same way, not 100%, but the way of you are solving this question. Okay, 100% මේක අපි වෙනව නෙවෙයි, මේක වගේ එකක් එනවා. Okay, if the age of Leon is denoted by X, okay, how should we denote the age of their mother? Okay, let's go to the question answer. Though they asked to take Leon question, Leon age is X. Okay, they asked to take Leon X age is X. So the age of Leon is denoted by X. Let's see. The Leon is 6 years older than his sister Anna. This is a statement they given. So Anna, if Anna is 10 years old, then we have to add another 6 years to get Leon age. If Anna is 10 years old, okay, I assume 10 years old. So then I have to add another 6 years as this statement. Leon is 6 years older than his sister Anna. Okay, so we can take this statement, this kind of equation. මේ equation එකට මේක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Annaගේ වයස අපි 10 නම් එයාට 6ක් දැම්මොත් Leonගේ වයස 16 කියලා එනවා. හරිද? The age of their mother is 4 times age of Anna. So mother age 4 times age of Anna. Okay, so this okay. What is the question? Now you have to remove this Anna. So Anna here. So if I subtract Leon age, okay, this 6 go to this side, you can take Leon, the 6 subtracted from Leon, so you can take the Anna age. So from this equation you can get Anna here, and you can put this 6 this side, so then is subtract here. Okay, so you can put that value here. Okay, you can remove Anna because we don't need Anna anymore, because we had to compare with mother age with the Leon. Okay, so Leon age is given like X here, so I put X there, and you know that now I can put this with no need to put this cross one, so I can put like that. You know about that one. Okay, I taught you that one in the question number 1. So this thing also we can do like that. 4x minus the 4 multiplied by 6 mean 24, like that. So what happened here, this kind of notation. Okay, so you put this x, okay, remove this x and put this one inside, so it should become like that. So this kind of notation, okay. So find out that kind of notation there in the question. So this is the one, I think. Yeah, this is the one. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. So that's why I told don't worry about these notations. It can be another one also, not like this one also. So then don't worry about this notation. Just identify I think the fx equal x is the normal notation the any people use. So you have to compare with your known one. Okay. දන්න එකත් එක compare කරන්න. Okay. Then you can understand with unknown notations. Okay. These are the mathematical notations. Don't worry about those. Okay. So mathematical answers are normally black and white. Okay. ඒක බලමු. Question number 7 එක සිංහලෙන් කරන්න කියලා කියනවා. Okay. Okay, this is the last question. After this one, I will go to that. The difference between squares. Square mean, you know not what is the square. Okay. Let me take my pen out. Okay, square mean this kind of thing. Square. Okay, this kind of thing. The difference between squares of two successful positive integer. Positive integer mean these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Now this is also positive integer like that. You can leave this number. No? Okay. So these are the positive integer. Integer mean these things. Okay. And which of the following is smaller of these numbers? Okay. Now what is this saying? The difference between the squares of two successive. That means the near positive integers. So let's go to the other side. Okay, other slide. Then I can explain it better. Okay. Now you can take this kind of thing. Okay. If I take, sorry, because I'm going to take my pen out. Okay. All right. I think you can see now this one. If you take this thing, we don't know about the exactly what is the number here. Okay. If I take like that, then other number is x plus 1 because the integer is going to appear 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. No? So then 1 plus 1 is 2. That is this number. Okay. So if I take x, then other one is like this one. Okay. Same as this expression. So then we're going to take this answer. What is the question said? The difference between squares. Squares mean this thing of two successful positive integer. Difference between mean the minus. So difference between this one is equal to this much. Okay. Now we are going to solve this equation here. So how to solve this one? We have to multiply by like that. So I will explain with my pen also. So x plus 1 and x plus 1. Okay. When you are multiplying, first multiply this one. Okay. It's become x squares. And then this x multiplied by here. Okay. Then it's plus here. Both side plus here. It become x. Then other one. Okay. Then this one. Okay. Another x here. Then this 1 and 1. Okay. Then plus 1 here, this one plus and this one plus, so it become 1 multiplied by 1 1. Okay, so that thing appear there. So this kind of thing, then you can inside you can solve. Okay, 2x, and you can remove this bracket. Then this x square and this square going to remove. Okay, so you can solve x like this. So this is x. Okay, what is the question? which one of the following is smaller of these number? No, smaller is x actually. So this thing. So is this answer is there? Not here, not here, not here. So none of these is the answer. Okay. They are given not the small one, they are given the bigger other one, no? The 17. Okay. Okay, now this is become the so this is 6 1 165 16 and this is 165 17. So this is the small one. Okay, and I think from this I'm going to finish the discussion part.